Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a healthy herbal drink at home. It's very good for cholesterol and diabetes. I tried it on myself after drinking this for a couple of days. I checked my sugar level. It went from 190 to 140. I highly recommend this drink for people suffering from diabetes. Let's look at the ingredients. We need a lime 1 or 2 and ginger, garlic, and lemongrass. If you don't have this, that's okay. And turmeric powder, cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks if you have, black pepper, the whole one, and butterfly pea flower. It's also optional. So if you don't have the lemongrass or butterfly pea flower, it's okay. You can do without it. I'm going to make about 3 cups of this drink. So I'm using about 3 inches of ginger. You can peel the skin if you want. And cut everything into tiny pieces. Cut the lemongrass, garlic and ginger into small pieces. The lemongrass is, I'm using here the end part of it, the stem. If you have the leaves, that will be nice also. And also, like I said, this is just an optional. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Ginger, you can slice it, or if you want, you can even grate it. Then cut the lemon or lime into smaller pieces with the skin. Don't remove the skin, but wash the lemon and lime very nicely before you start using it. Heat about a little more than 3 cups of water or 3.5 cups of water. Next, start adding the ingredients one by one. Cinnamon powder. Add 1 teaspoon, full 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We know how good turmeric is, but too much is not good. It could affect your liver. 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, the whole black pepper. Black pepper helps the body to absorb the curcumin from the turmeric. Sorry friends, I forgot to mention the cloves in the beginning. The crumble. Add about 10 to 12 crumbles to your mixture. Next, add about 10 to 12 butterfly pea flowers. You can also make tea with this blue flowers. You can boil a cup of water and add about 10 pieces of this flowers and let it steep for about 2 to 3 minutes and drink it with honey or without honey. It's very good for health. It's a very powerful antioxidant. Let it come to a boil and boil it for about half an hour in low medium heat. It's almost half an hour and you can see the level has come down from there to there. So your drink is done. It's ready. So you can strain it and start serving it. Our healthy herbal drink is ready. Let's strain it and drink it when it's nice and warm. Drink it after dinner before going to sleep. If you want, you can add some raw unfiltered honey to your drink. That's also just optional. I drink it without honey or any sugar. I hope you liked the video. Please share it with your friends. Remember, health is wealth. If you want to take care of your family, you take care of yourself. Be healthy. Please subscribe and press the bell button and the word all.
பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பாலிலா பாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பார்த்து பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா. பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பார்த்து பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா.